Available now at the Titan Outlet Store. In this video, we are demonstrating a 2012 New Holland T8390 with 327 hours. This MFD tractor features 340 horsepower, a 19-speed power shift transmission, and active front suspension. The rear is outfitted with a 540/1000 PTO, a 3-point hitch, and heavy-duty drawbar, along with 4 hydraulic remotes with high flow and power beyond motor return valve. The rear tires are 480 R50s with 95% tread, and the front tires are 380 R38s with 95% tread. The cab features suspension and a deluxe positive response seat, along with a true ground speed sensor and full guidance with a Nav2 receiver, IntelliView 3 monitor, and WAS. Additional features on this T8390 include 360-degree HID lighting, electric mirrors, and beacon light. For more information on this New Holland T8390, contact our sales team at the Titan Outlet Store. To view more equipment videos, check out and subscribe to our YouTube channel.